What's up, chat? I found this way to crack your back, or your lower back specifically. Thought I'd just show it. I don't know if that's good enough. So you kind of like on a couch, put your leg up on it, like this, like you're peeing like a dog. You bring this over to your shoulder. And you just switch sides. Peeing like a dog. You can already hear it. Damn. Too poor to afford a microphone, but yeah, you get the gist. That's good.